Hello guys, good evening. And now see this clamp. See if it's something that you would like to have, because we have like hundreds of them. No, thousands of them. Each box contains 250 of them, black 250, like this. We have like 10 boxes, and maybe 20 of them. Okay, let's see what it is like. This is a clamp. Let's see the clamp. So this is what it is like. And now we have the eyelet, which allows the collecting to the rare rack. So basically this is 28.6 of the diameter in here, and the eyelet must be something like M4, M5. It's easy. So this is what it is like. I trust we have the chrome color as well. This is black, and this is the chrome. It is a chrome one, the silver color. Let's see. This is what it is like, man. Okay. So this is a silver color. That's aluminum material. Alright. Okay, so if you happen to be interested in these parts, please feel free to let me know. We have like thousands of them. Alright, thanks. Bye bye.